Bay Area Blanks sent me a ton of sublimation blanks forever ago, and I used a bunch of them, like the ones I was more comfortable with, but I haven't done some of like the more niche ones. They sent me this little chapstick holder. It like goes on your key ring and you can like slide your chapstick down in it. So let's sublimate it. Measuring this is going to be a pain in the patootie. So I think let's just design like a square that will fit on it and then go from there. Okay, so I'm in Cricut Design Space. I'm gonna go to Images and I'm just gonna search patterns and see what comes up. Okay, we got options, I'm kind of feeling like whatever I do, I wanna put my initial on it. Okay, also there's like Starbucks tumbler wrap templates in here for anyone who's interested. Like, I did not know that these were here. Like, I didn't know that these were in Cricut Access. Okay, but we digress. Let's look for what we're looking for. Okay, I found this one and I really like it, but I feel like it needs a background. So I'm gonna go to Shapes and grab like a rectangle and we're gonna fit it to the whole background. And then we're gonna make it pink. Ooh, not that pink. Ooh, no, different pink. Yeah, like that pink. And then we're gonna move it to the back. Okay, we are not liking the pink, so we're gonna change it again. Okay, I just accidentally stumbled across this green color and I think I like that. Now I'm just gonna measure. You didn't see that. I'm just gonna measure how wide it is at its widest point, 2 inches, and it's 4-ish inches long. So we're gonna make our square like 2.2 by 4. Okay, so I'm just gonna highlight the whole thing and I'm gonna do 4 as the width here, and it's gonna make it like 3 inches tall, but that's okay. Just some of this won't make it onto the chapstick and that's okay. Okay, wow, sorry about the blurriness there for a second. Okay, now I'm just gonna put my initial on it, except I'm gonna do it fancy and use the monogram mode. Also, this is my formal petition to Cricut. I want a disco ball monogram. Like, I want that so bad. So we have a pretty busy background, so I want it to have like something around it to kind of like make it more simple. And then I'm just going to change the font. Ooh, I like that. No. I'm gonna go with this. And we're gonna make it any operation type. Yeah, add to canvas. Okay, we're definitely gonna need a little circle behind it to make it like not look so weird. All right, I'm just gonna move that back there and change it to that green color. And now I'm gonna change the color on the monogram because I don't like it this color. Okay, I made it that like really pale green color, and now we're just gonna place it on our chapstick. Well, what will be our chapstick holder. Okay, wait. I'm gonna do a quick remeasure because I need to know, like it's gonna have to go at the longest spot, like right here. So I need to know how big that spot is so I know how big to make this circle. It's kind of like 2 by 2. So that's how big we're gonna make this thing. Also, I'm realizing I'm gonna have to duplicate this whole thing because there's 2 sides. Now you see why I put this off. Okay, so I'm thinking about it like it's gonna fit just like this. So that's good for the front. And now we just need to duplicate the whole thing. But on the back, I don't want the monogram. So I'm gonna get rid of that. And now we just need to mirror everything. And then we're gonna print it on our handy dandy sublimation printer. We need to select everything. Actually, I lied. We need to select one side and then hit flatten, which will turn it into a print and cut. And then we need to do the same thing with this side, flatten. Now we have 2 print and cuts. Now we hit make it. That looks more correct. We're going to mirror it. Then we're gonna hit continue. My voice cracked. Send to printer. I never add bleed because I feel like it doesn't work as well. So now we just hit print. And we pray because I haven't printed in like a week, so it might come out weird. I hope you're crossing all your fingers and toes. Okay. She's looking a little rough, but we're gonna full send today. Okay, I'm going to preheat my heat press. We're gonna do our temp at 385. A smile on my face. Success. All right, I'm gonna cut a few pieces of this. Now I'm gonna tape this bad boy down. So now I'm just gonna line up my monogram. You can barely see it. I'm gonna line up the monogram with where I want it to end up. And then I'm just gonna tape. I'm questioning this. There is 0 chance this is gonna be straight. Okay, we're preheated, so moment of truth. The terror is real. Sometimes you just gotta go for it. Okay, I got my little heat glove so I can pick it up. Let's see how it did. Okay, I've decided I'm not gonna show you yet. We're just gonna do the other side. There she blows. Oh goodness. Spoilers! Here's how it turned out. This was not on straight. But like, in terms of the design, like, that looks cute. Little chapstick holder. There you go. Happy crafting.